flood watch in effect from Friday morning through late Saturday night. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where portions of southeast Georgia, including the following areas: Bullock, Kendler, coastal Bryan, coastal Chatham, coastal Liberty, coastal McIntosh, Effingham, Evans, inland Bryan, inland Chatham, inland Liberty, inland McIntosh, Jenkins, Long, Scriven and Titanal, and southeast South Carolina, including the following areas: Allendale, Beaufort, Charleston, coastal Carleton, coastal Jasper, Dorchester, Hampton, inland Berkeley, inland Carleton, inland Jasper, and tidal Berkeley. When? From Friday morning through late Saturday night. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Storm drains and ditches may become clogged with debris. Extensive street flooding and flooding of creeks and rivers are possible. Additional details: numerous to widespread showers and thunderstorms will impact the region Friday into Saturday. Rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches can be expected through early Sunday morning, with localized amounts exceeding 6 inches. Ground conditions remain wet, and any sustained period of heavy rainfall will likely lead to areas of flash flooding. Additional flood safety information can be found online at weather.gov/safety/flood. Be prepared to protect life and property, especially in areas prone to flooding. If flooding develops, move to higher ground immediately. If driving, be prepared for flooded roadways and possible road closures.